Welcome back to 3 Minute Studio. Today, we're exploring the life of the man whose observations completely reshaped our understanding of life itself. Charles Darwin, born in 1809 in Shrewsbury, England. Charles Darwin was a boy endlessly fascinated by the natural world, while his father hoped he would become a doctor. Young Darwin was captivated by something else entirely. He spent his days exploring the countryside, collecting everything from shells to insects, and sketching the intricate details of the plants and birds he encountered. This early passion for nature wasn't just a hobby, it was the bedrock upon which his future groundbreaking discoveries would be built. At the young age of 22, Darwin embarked on the voyage that would change everything. He joined the crew of the HMS Beagle as the ship's naturalist for 5 incredible years. He journeyed across vast oceans, exploring the coasts of South America, the shores of Australia, and remote Pacific islands. But the true turning point arrived when he reached the Galápagos Islands. There, he noticed something extraordinary. The tortoises and finches on different islands weren't all the same. They each had unique features, perfectly adapted to their specific environments. This powerful observation planted the first seeds of his theory of natural selection, a revolutionary idea that life wasn't static but evolves over time to survive. Once back in England, Darwin dedicated the next 20 years to his work. He painstakingly analyzed his massive collection of specimens, filled countless journals with meticulous notes, and searched for patterns that connected species, their environment, and their adaptations. He wrestled with his own doubts and faced the constant fear of public backlash and criticism for his radical ideas. But Darwin trusted what he had seen with his own eyes. This patient, careful study became his superpower, allowing him to connect the dots in a way no one had before. Finally, in 1859, Darwin published his masterwork, On the Origin of Species, introducing his theory of evolution by natural selection to the world. The reaction was immediate and intense. Some hailed him as a brilliant visionary, while others fiercely resisted his conclusions. But the sheer weight of his evidence, gathered through years of careful observation and logical reasoning, was undeniable. His work didn't just cause a stir, it forever changed the course of biology, giving us a new framework to understand all life on Earth. Darwin famously wrote, "It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change." From a curious boy collecting beetles to a revolutionary thinker who challenged centuries of established belief, Charles Darwin's journey teaches us a profound lesson that the simple acts of observation, curiosity, and patience truly have the power to change the world. This was the incredible life of Charles Darwin, all in just 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to 3 Minute Studio for more inspiring stories.